Introduction. The power supplier DFPW2 generates the tension which enables the modules connected to the Domino bus. The DFAPP module is an interface between the Ethernet network and the Domino bus, which allows to control the domotic system through the apps iCasaMia and aCasaMia. These apps can be downloaded for free on the App Store. The DF8RIT module includes the following functions: 8 digital inputs for contacts without potential, 8 power relay outputs, which can be configured either for the on-off switch of generic loads or in couples for the control of rolling shutters and Venetian blinds, 1 input for temperature probes. The DF4RI module includes the following functions: 4 digital inputs for contacts without potential, 4 power relay outputs, which can be configured either for the on-off switch of generic loads or in couples for the control of rolling shutters and Venetian blinds, 4 virtual points for generic use. Through the Domino bus, the DFDIM dimmer module allows to regulate the brightness of incandescent lamps, halogen lamps with or without transformer, LED dimmable lamps. The DFDALI64 module allows to control 64 DALI devices through the Domino bus. These are the main features: automatic addressing of connected DALI devices, up to 16 devices working at the same time or broadcast, a function for the automatic regulation of the light through the DFLS Domino sensor. The DFCK3 module allows to control hourly, daily, and weekly time slots in a Domino system. Through the Domino bus, the DFCT module allows to regulate the temperature in an area of a house.